international considerations, and we have also agreed that China and Pakistan will enhance our consultative process to discuss geopolitical situation, to discuss how to bring progress and prosperity not only in Pakistan but in the region.
I want to talk about this iron brotherhood of China and Pakistan. You know this, Mr. Prime Minister, that in China we call you Bhatia, right?
Yeah, that's right.
You like that characterization?
I think it's, they call it Bhatia. Am I right?
Yeah, Bhatia.
That's iron brother. We are iron brothers because this friendship is unbreachable. Nobody can damage this friendship. Nobody can, find any space in this friendship. No matter what, we will remain friends. We have been friends and will be there forever.
Talking about global politics, this is so important. It seems that some countries are, defining China as an aggressive power and targeting China as the #1 national security threat, forming alliances trade-wise, military-wise, technology-wise against China to contain its rise. Do you think such fear of China, such containment measures are warranted?
If you look at the history, China has always been a very prosperous and rich country, but foreign entities who came here, they made it into a colony and looted and plundered its resources. But China had been bestowed upon by God Almighty infinite resources and energy. China has not shown in anybody's remotest imagination any germs of expansionism. To the contrary, China's philosophy, President Xi Jinping's philosophy, is about globalization, is about interaction, is about prosperity and progress. And the policy of those who believe in containment are sadly mistaken. They will never be able to contain China. China is a mighty power. The world cannot operate without China, and vice versa. And China believes in peaceful means. So Chinese military progress is not for aggression, it is for its defense, and rightly so. Keeping in view the past history, China cannot afford to remain weak in this area. Therefore, China is within its rights to be militarily strong, yet be very cautious and careful as not to give even slightest of impression that this power is for aggression. No, that is the finest moment of China's leadership.